In the Way 31 Storm Tracker Weather Center, meteorologist Kate McKenna.
Time now 11:46. A chilly day across the Tennessee Valley, but it is December.
Right, so it is expected to a certain extent. We'll still be running a little bit below average with our temperatures today. Let me show you what it looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. Plenty of blue sky here across Decatur, although the blue sky is not bringing us 70s like it was yesterday afternoon. We will see a few thin clouds moving through, and temperatures for the most part are going to stay in the low to mid 50s. A few of us are still in the 40s, but temperatures kind of plateau for the rest of today as we continue to see some of that cooler air filtering in from the northwest. So let me show you what it looks like for the rest of today. A few of those clouds continue to stream in, especially late this evening through the overnight hours. Partly cloudy tonight, mostly cloudy tomorrow. We'll still see a few breaks in the cloud cover for our Tuesday, but it's not going to be completely clear. It's not going to be quite as sunny as what you're seeing right now. 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, here's what you wake up to. There's that mostly cloudy sky. We keep it through the afternoon. We keep it through the evening. The data keeps trying to suggest a couple of snow flurries through Sand Mountain tomorrow. If you see a snowflake here or there, you wouldn't see any accumulation, so it's not something that's going to cause any issue for us, and it's something that's not exactly likely at this point. What is likely, and quite a bit of rain that comes in Friday into Saturday, lasting through Sunday morning, and then some much cooler air on the backside of that rain. So as we go through this, here's 9 o'clock now up to midnight. A few showers start to work their way in. This is early Saturday morning. Becomes a steady rain by 6 o'clock on Saturday, and you can see where that freezing line is just above the Tennessee Valley, just into central Tennessee. And as we go through the day on Saturday, it is going to be a cold rain. You can see how close the wintry mix is getting to the Tennessee Valley. As we get into the afternoon and evening here, this is the most recent update with the data, and what I'm seeing, as well as with you, seeing that the fact that that cooler air by early Sunday morning, there's midnight, starts to work its way closer to North Alabama. There's 6 a.m. and here is noon. Now, the big difference for us is going to be just a couple of 100 miles, if 100 miles, just the fact that that colder air starts to work in. As we still have some moisture in place, there's still the potential for a little bit of mix Sunday before all the moisture's out of here. Here's 10 o'clock Sunday evening, and we're trending to hold in a little bit of moisture even past when we were initially seeing some of that rain moving out. So by 10 o'clock Sunday night, I can tell you that we'll still be seeing a couple of showers, and those temperatures are going to be getting pretty close to the freezing mark. And we're monitoring the situation closely over the next several days with that potential for a couple of snowflakes or some wintry mix. You'll see that the temperature Sunday morning, 37 degrees, yeah, that's still several degrees above freezing, just a little too warm to even see a couple of snowflakes. But as that cooler air continues to work its way in on Sunday, there's that potential. 45 degrees right now for your forecast high, but we'll see if we don't need to adjust that at some point. 47 degrees, that's that cold rain on Saturday. Tonight, it gets cold as well. Of course, there's no moisture with us for tonight, but it will get down to 32 degrees, and temperatures are dropping pretty quickly. 43 at 7 o'clock, 40 at 10, 37 at 1. Then we're down to the mid-30s just around sunrise tomorrow, but the actual low temperature will hit right at the freezing mark. Cooler tomorrow, 44.